With its compact size, the stool takes up a very small amount of space in its clap state, which measures just 25.5 centimeters in diameter and just 6.5 centimeters deep. Despite weighing in at just 1.28 kilograms, and unlike other plastic versions, its nylon construction gives it an impressive strength which is capable of supporting up to 130 kilograms. It's incredibly quick to set up into position simply by placing your thumb and index fingers into the holes on each side of the folded stool, and then pulling outwards with a slight twist to lock it into place. To collapse, you simply repeat the steps in reverse. The stool's maximum height is 44.5 centimeters and can be adjusted to different heights to suit the job or task in hand or the user's desired seating height. For electricians, decorators and tradesmen, this stool is perfect as a seating platform for those low working areas, but sometimes require them to kneel down, which can prove to be uncomfortable, which is why it's also perfect for gardeners and people who love the great outdoors. The stool also features a simple to use carry handle, which can be extended to be an over-the-shoulder strap, making it easy to carry with you at any time.